I'm going to tell you guys 3 ways to get out of jury duty. Jury duty is not the funnest thing as a juror. You've got to take time off work. You've got to stand in long lines. You got to listen to lawyers talk all day, which is not all that it's cracked up to be. Number 1, you want to sit towards the very back if they assign you that number. So if there's 30 jurors and you're juror number 30, in all likelihood, you're not going to be picked. So pay careful attention where they sit you. If they sit you towards the back, chances are they're going to pick jurors in the front because that's how the law is. Number 2, if you cannot sit in judgment of another person, you will not be selected for jury duty. This includes for religious reasons, for personal reasons, for any reason at all. If you tell the juror panel and the court and the prosecutors or the lawyers involved that you cannot sit in judgment of another person, then you cannot be on a jury, because that's precisely what you're asked to do, applying the law to the facts and creating a judgment by verdict of jury. The last way to get out of jury duty is if you have a bias, a personal bias in favor of one party or against another party. For instance, if you're married to a criminal defense attorney and you show up to a criminal defense trial and you have a bias towards the defense attorney because of your relationship with your husband or wife who does that for a job, or if you yourself have ever been arrested and you have a bias towards the defendant, or if you're law enforcement and you're a policeman, you have a bias towards the prosecutor or the state. Again, those are 3 ways to get out of jury duty. Boom.